Okay, Brian Crayer again with my second Screencast-O-Matic video for the challenge associated with this app on Passport. Right now I'm going to respond to an email that my mom sent to my brothers and I about a Father's Day gift idea from my dad. She spotted that a restaurant he enjoys is giving away, well, not giving away, but they're offering gift cards for 15% off. And little does she know, but we already got my dad a gift. So I'm going to respond to her real quick here. Hi, Mom. We already got Dad a gift. Thank you for sending this. Thank you for sending this. All right, so let me just clean this up a little bit. And there we go. So that was a demonstration of typing out an email, voice to text, and now I am going to do some editing.